What's up, Sneakerholics? It's your boy Slim Beezy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to lace up your Air Jordan 9s. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also hit that like button to help me rank high on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into this how-to. And this is one example of how to lace up your 9s. Just regular lace. Another option to get a looser feel, loosen the top and then let it a little bit, open it up. It's another option, keep it loose. Loosen it a little bit. And that's that in a nutshell. Thanks for watching my video as always. Remember to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this content or that thumbs down if you didn't. I'm SneakerholicBeez and I'm out.